Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of automated content creation with the WordPress content generation AI agent in Delaverse. Imagine having an AI sidekick that crafts SEO-friendly blog posts, generates eye-catching images, and even publishes everything directly to your WordPress site, all while keeping you in the loop with notifications. It's a game changer for bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to streamline their content workflow without the hassle. What makes this AI agent awesome? This agent turns your content ideas into polished, ready-to-publish articles. By pulling from your guidelines, style docs, and publishing calendar, it ensures everything aligns with your brand. Plus, it handles image creation and auto-publishing, saving you hours of manual work and helping your site stay fresh and optimized for search engines. IOI, how to get started accessing your AI agent. Head over to your Delaverse playground. Log in if you haven't already. From the main dashboard, click on New Project to kick things off. If you have a pre-made setup, simply import the JSON workflow file to load everything up. It's as easy as starting a new adventure in your creative space. Breaking down the key features. Let's walk through the magic step by step, like building your dream content machine. First, bring in your data sources. Connect your Google Docs for writing tips, a file database for your SEO styles, and a Google Sheet for your content calendar. This gives the AI all the context it needs to create spot-on content. Next, link everything to the central AI brain. It takes all that input and whips up SEO-optimized text, plus fun image ideas tailored to your topics. Then set up the publishing pipeline. The AI's output flows straight to your WordPress, posting articles automatically so your site updates without you lifting a finger. Don't forget the alerts. Hook up notifications to Telegram so you get a ping every time a new post goes live. Perfect for staying on top of things. For visuals, the agent generates images using those smart prompts, adding that professional polish to your posts. And to keep it all running smoothly, add a trigger that fires on a schedule, like daily or weekly, to automate the whole process, keeping tabs, analytics, and monitoring. Once it's running, check out the analytics dashboard to see how your content is performing. Track generation activity, like how many posts were created, and dive into metrics showing engagement on your site. It's super helpful for spotting what works and tweaking for even better results. Think views, SEO rankings, and more, all in one easy spot. Unlocking benefits, why it's worth it. The real win? Time and growth. Automate your content to post consistently, boost your site's traffic with SEO magic, and focus on what you love, like strategizing new ideas instead of grinding away. Every published post builds your audience and authority, turning your blog into a thriving hub without the burnout. Pro tips for power users. Want to level up? Experiment with more data sources to feed the AI richer info, or fine-tune the prompts for hyper-specific SEO tweaks. You could even connect other platforms for cross-publishing. Head to your project settings to adjust timings or add custom rules. It's all about making it fit your style. For deeper insights, peek into usage stats in your profile to optimize costs and efficiency. Wrap up. Power up your content game with the WordPress Content Generation AI agent. You're not just creating content, you're scaling your online presence effortlessly. Gain clarity on what's working. Enjoy the transparency of automated workflows and watch your site flourish. Jump in today, build your agent, and let's grow smarter together in Delaverse. What are you waiting for? Share your first auto-generated post in the comments. We'd love to hear about it.